Bertazzoni range model QB36M600X error codes. Prepare quick meals with this 36-inch Bertazzoni cooktop. Its low-profile design makes it a suitable addition to a minimalist kitchen, and the cast iron grates keep pots and pans stable while directing the flames for heating efficiency. This built-in Bertazzoni cooktop has a 18,000 BTU power burner that lets you boil water in 6 minutes or less. Error codes. No error codes for this product at this time. The oven will not operate. Is there power to the range? Are the igniters or burner holes blocked? Check the switch fuse or circuit breaker. The surfer burners will not ignite. Is there power to the range? Are the igniters or burner holes blocked? Are the burner rings and burner caps seated firmly? Check the switch fuse or circuit breaker. Check that the igniter is clean and the burner holes are open and clean of any residue. The burner ignites but switches off when the knob is released. The burners have flame failure devices fitted as standard. Therefore, after lighting the burner, keep the knob pressed for a few seconds to deactivate the flame failure device. The ignition candles are sparking continuously. Is the cooktop wet from cleaning or a boil over? Turn off the electricity supply and thoroughly dry the burner components and igniters. The control knob are getting too hot. Are you cooking with the oven door open? Keep the oven door shut when not in use or when grilling broiling. A control knob is loose on its shaft. The knob retaining spring clip may have been damaged. Call our service department for advice and a replacement if necessary. Food is cooking too quickly. Are you using a convection mode? When using a fan-assisted oven cooking mode, it is recommended to reduce the cooking temperature by 70 degrees Fahrenheit 20 degrees Celsius compared to conventional cooking. Food is not cooking evenly. Are you cooking large amount of food or are you using large bakeware? Air needs to circulate through the oven for even cooking. Remove the grill pan from the oven when not in use and always allow a gap on all 4 sides of dishes. You may need to turn your bakeware during the cooking cycle. Oversized baking sheets, roasting pans and cakeware will act as a baffle and prevent hot air from moving evenly around the cavity. Choose cooking equipment that allows a minimum of 1 inch to 5 centimeters space on all sides to allow the free movement of heat inside the cavity. Grilling in the oven is slow. Have you selected the correct function? The fan continues to run after the oven is switched off. This is normal. The cooling fan may run on and off for up to 30 minutes after the oven is switched off to keep the controls cool. The display is not showing. Check if the time indication has been switched off. Nothing happens when I press the keys. Check if the safety block is active. The oven does not work. Check if the plug is correctly fitted in the socket. The oven's power is switched on. When the oven is operating, I can hear some strange noises. This is not a problem. It has to do with the operating noises that can occur during the cooking process, e.g., by the water pumps in the steam generator. The steam inside the cavity produces a pressure buildup and sometimes the cavity walls may produce noise when they react to the pressure. These noises are normal, there is no problem. The food doesn't heat up or heats very slowly. Check if you have selected the correct operating times and temperature setting. The food you have put inside the oven is a larger amount or colder than you usually put in. The appliance still makes a noise after the cooking process is finished. This is not a problem.